This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Gina Dempsey. Take a look at this completely remodeled 3/2 private pool home in a very desirable neighborhood in Banana River dining room. Very quiet area west/sidewalks in walking distance to top-rated schools, Kelly Park and a public boat ramp within minutes. 10 minutes to Port Canaveral, the beach with quick access to 528. New sliders and windows double pane energy efficient. This home has completely remodeled bathrooms, new HVAC, new appliances, new sprinkler system, beautiful backyard pool area with large kid area with AstroTurf. This space is great for entertaining. The master bedroom has sliders off to the pool area. Split plan for privacy from master to separate bedrooms. Beautiful kitchen with granite and tons of cabinets. Refrigerator brand new, dishwasher under 3 years, disposal under 2 years, range 2 months old, pool equipment 2025. Natural gas new hot water heater and the list goes on. This home is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Gina Dempsey at 321-427-1254.